If I had to start all over again, no connections, no clients, no website, just $500 in my pocket, here's exactly how I'd launch a profitable home cleaning business from scratch and how you can too in 10 steps. Let's go. I'm John Margulies, founder of Happy Home Helpers, a 7-figure remote cleaning business, and Rags to Riches University, where I help people like you start a profitable cleaning business using nothing but a phone and laptop. I'm also a special consultant for Jobber, the leading software for home service businesses. I was featured several times on Jobber's podcast, and I was a keynote speaker at the 2025 Jobber Summit. And just so you're confident you're getting expert advice from someone who knows how to grow a cleaning business, here's my total revenue from last year in 2024. I'm filtering this report to show you January 1st, 2024 to December 31st, 2024. And you can see that I processed $1,330,668.45 in credit card payments alone. That doesn't include checking cash payments. And that's what's possible when you do this the right way. Now let's break it down. Step number 1, lock in the right mindset. First thing I do is get locked in, 100% focused on one goal: customer acquisition. Not branding, not bookkeeping, and not perfection. Getting clients. That's it. But before I go hunting for my first sale, I need a few quick things in place. I need a legal structure, but I wouldn't set up an LLC. Too expensive up front. And it doesn't matter when you're just getting started. Instead, I'd register as a sole proprietorship. Cheap, fast, and simple. Then I'd open a free business checking account. It keeps my personal and business finances separate, clean, and legit. Then I'd set up a Stripe account so I can take payments online. Because when someone says, I need to schedule a cleaning, I want to collect that money right then and there. But that's not all. I also need liability insurance. And guess what? You can't get insurance without a legal entity. So yes, even a sole proprietorship is important. Not for the government, not for vanity, but so I can start accepting payments and protect myself on day one. All this, I'd knock it out in one day. Because the faster I finish the paperwork, the faster I can start making money. That's the mindset. Don't get stuck in setup mode. Get it done, then go sell. Step 2, create a professional brand the right way. Now, I need a name. Nothing too clever, nothing too cute. Here's a simple framework you can follow to choose a professional brand name. These are the 3 simple rules to follow when choosing a name for your cleaning business. Rule number 1, say what your product or service does. For example, Merry Maids. The name of the business says exactly what the service is: maids that are merry. Rule number 2, try to incorporate alliteration. Alliteration is when 2 or more words that start with the same sound are used repeatedly in a phrase or a sentence. Here are a few examples of alliteration in a sentence. Please put away your paints and practice the piano. Claire, close your cluttered closet. Peter Piper pickles a peck of pickled peppers. You see, alliteration helps make a business name more memorable. And these are all well-known examples of business names that follow rules 1 and 2. Best Buy, PayPal, Coca-Cola, Bed Bath & Beyond, Dunkin' Donuts, Krispy Kreme, and of course my house cleaning company, Happy Home Helpers. And rule number 3, make sure your name is legally available to use, meaning that it's not already a registered trademark being used by another cleaning business. If you choose a name that another business is already using, it could lead to unwanted legal issues for trademark infringement. You can easily check if a name is available by running a search on the United States Patent and Trademark Office website. The website is uspto.gov. Just type in the name you want and click on the search button. Step 3, build an online presence. So I'm going to need a logo and a website. Just go to Google and type in free AI logo creator. Clean typeface with no icon art. Just like this. And then you're done. Then I'd build a site on Wix or any cheap no-code drag-and-drop website builder. Now, most of these platforms have plug-and-play templates you can use, so I'd go that route. But if you want to make it look more professional, then I'd hire a $9 an hour designer on Upwork.com. Then I'd make sure my business shows up locally when someone searches on Google for a cleaning service in my area. That starts with creating a Google Business profile, which is very powerful. And then I'd add my business to Apple Maps, Yelp, and Facebook business page. I'd also add my business to free directories, Nextdoor, Bing Places, and a few others. These listings are called citations. They help Google trust your business and show it in search results. Here's a pro tip. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number match exactly across all platforms. That's it. No SEO agency needed. Just consistency and a little hustle. Step 4, get legit. Before I take on any jobs, I'd apply for a business license and get basic liability insurance. That way I look credible and I'm covered. Next.com and The Hartford are both good places to get free quotes. Step number 5, find experienced cleaners. Because I'm not cleaning houses. So I need to find experienced cleaners who already have supplies. I'd go to websites like Thumbtack or Yelp, and I'd search for cleaners with 5-star reviews, but not that many of them, only 3 to 5 total reviews. That means they're small, good at what they do, and probably need more jobs because they're not running ads. Perfect partners. I'll call them up, tell them I have too many jobs and not enough cleaners, and I'll ask if they would like to service my customers. I'll give them 45% of what the customer pays me, but I'm not going to disclose that. That's because it's none of their business. All they need to know is what I'm willing to pay them. Then I provide a detailed payout sheet for reference that looks like this, and it shows them how much the payouts are. If you're getting value from this video, hit that like button and subscribe. That way I can keep making more content that helps you make money. Step number 6, organic marketing hustle. Forget ads. I'm keeping this lean. Instead, I just add my website to local maps, claim my listing on Yelp and Facebook, and submit company info to local directories and citations like Nextdoor, Thumbtack, and local chamber of commerce. Citations are basically online mentions of your business name, address, and phone number. The more consistent your info is across the internet, the more Google trusts you, and the higher you rank in local search results. It's simple. Just Google free local business directories, then submit your info manually and just copy and paste the exact same name, address, and phone number every time. No need to overthink it, no need to hire anyone. Just hustle through it once and you're done. I call this the free version of SEO, and it works. Then I'd have 6 or 7 friends write character reviews on my Google profile. No lies, just honest reviews about me as a person. That adds instant credibility and social proof. Step number 7, build local relationships. This is all about building relationships with local strategic partners. Strategic partners are complementary non-competitors, basically people who have the same customers as you, but for a different service. So I'd reach out to realtors, property managers, interior designers, and contractors, and ask them one simple thing. Do you ever need a reliable cleaner you can count on? And that one question can unlock consistent referrals for years. I've amassed about 50 active realtors in my city that call us 2 to 3 times a month to clean homes that they're about to list. And do the math. 50 realtors calling twice a month, that's 100 jobs just from that source. And the best part, I don't have to pay for those leads. Step number 8, guerrilla marketing. Hit the Nextdoor app and local Facebook groups. Join mom groups, neighborhood chats, anything hyperlocal. And it's not to spam, it's to contribute. I'm going to answer questions, offer value, and when the time's right, pitch my service with an irresistible offer. Step number 9, and I'm going to be real here. Have a talk with yourself. Become self-aware that failure and problems are good, because this is what separates real entrepreneurs from everyone else. Something didn't work out? Good, you learned. That Facebook ad you tried wasted money and you got no leads? Good, now you know what to tweak. The cleaner didn't show up? Good, you're learning how to hire better people. If you're failing, it means you're trying. It means you're alive. It means that you won't have any regrets. And the people who win in this game aren't the ones who avoid failure. They're the ones who fail, learn, and move fast. Step 10, apply this 90-10 rule. Now listen up. This is important. Everything I just said, that's 10% of the plan. The other 90%, sales. Talk to people, DMing leads, following up, pitching partnerships, closing deals. Because none of this works if you don't get customers. Sales unlocks everything. And if you can sell, you're free. So if you've got hustle, $500 and a phone, you're dangerous. And if you need a step-by-step system that shows you exactly how to start and scale this business remotely, I made something for you. It's called Rags to Riches University, and you can get access to it right now. All you got to do is go to my website, johnmargalite.com. The link's in the descriptions. Now get after it.